Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Overwatch installed step by step. First, confirm your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements, including a compatible operating system and at least 4 GB of RAM. Next, create or log into your Battle.net account, which is essential for downloading and playing. Finally, ensure you have at least 30 GB of free storage space on your chosen drive for the game installation. Once logged into your Battle.net account, open the desktop application. On the left-hand side, you will find a list of Blizzard games. Select Overwatch from this list. You will then see a large Install button. Click this to start the download. The download size is approximately 30 GB, so a stable internet connection is recommended for a smooth experience. After clicking Install, you will be prompted to choose an installation directory. Select a drive with ample space, ideally an SSD for faster loading times. The Battle.net application will then handle the entire installation process automatically. It will also download any necessary game updates, ensuring you have the latest version ready to play. This process might take some time depending on your internet speed. With the installation and updates complete, the Install button will change to Play. Click this button to launch Overwatch. Once in the game, you can adjust various settings like graphics quality and controls to suit your preferences. Now you are ready to dive into the action, join your friends, and experience the exciting world of Overwatch. Have fun playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.